People come here looking for the sea. They arrive with bicycles, dogs, cameras and summer plans. They hear the gulls. They feel the wind. They smell the salt in the air. But then they look toward the beach. And sometimes the sea is gone. Where waves should be, there is sand. Where water should move, people are walking. Where the sand should touch the shore, the land seems to continue without end. The first question is always the same. Where did the sea go? I have watched this question many times. On many faces. In many seasons. Because this is not a place where the coastline stays still. Here the coast is not a fixed line. It is a rhythm. Twice a day the sea withdraws. Slowly, quietly. And when it leaves, it reveals another world. Look around. The beach has become a wide open plain. The horizon was moved farther away. The air feels larger. Voices travel differently. Footsteps become part of the landscape. And far out, where only water was before, people begin to walk. This is the strange magic of this coast. A seaside town where the sea does not always stay beside you. But the town does not wait for the water. The promenade fills with footsteps. Bicycles roll past. Dogs follow the wind. Children run between beach chairs. Cafes open their doors. Life continues. Because everyone here knows, the sea is not lost. It is only away for a while. When the tide withdraws, it leaves behind a temporary world. Mud, sand, shallow channels, footprints, birds, silence. From far away it may look empty, but this emptiness is alive. The sea has not abandoned this place. It has only uncovered it. And so people walk into the space where the waves had been. Behind them the town. In front of them the horizon. Above them the gulls. Below them the trace of the tide. In 360 degrees there is no single direction to look. The story is everywhere. I have always liked this moment. The moment when visitors stop searching for the missing water and begin to notice what has appeared instead. 1 hour, this is a seaside resort. Another hour, it is a gateway into the Wadden Sea. A town that changed without moving. A coast that disappears and returns. But not everyone follows the tide. Some of us stay where we are. I do not walk out into the mudflats. I do not chase the waterline. I do not leave footprints in the sand. I remain in the green heart of the town. Among trees, paths, benches and passing voices. From here I have watched people arrive in every season. Some came for the beach. Some came for the air. Some came for a short holiday. Some return year after year. They pass me often. Most do not notice me. That is all right. A good observer does not need to be seen. I have watched faces turn toward the missing sea. I have watched confusion becomes curiosity, and curiosity becomes wonder. Perhaps you passed me too. Perhaps you looked at the trees, the paths, the sculptures, and did not know who was speaking. I am the quiet one in the park, the one who never leaves. The wooden man watching a town where even the sea cannot stand still. The people move, the clouds move, the guys move, the bicycle moves. The tide moves. Only I remain, rooted, silent, watching, remembering. Maybe that is why I understand this place. Because when you cannot move yourself, you notice how everything else moves around you. You notice that the sea does not disappear because it is gone. It disappears because it belongs to a larger rhythm. You notice that an empty beach is not empty. And a horizon is not an ending. Soon the water will return. Channel will fix. Footprints will disappear. The open flats will sink beneath the tide. And this town will become, once again, the seaside place people expected to find. But those who saw it before the water returned will know the secret. The sea was never missing. It had simply stepped aside. For a few hours, it gave the land back to the wind, the birds and the people who crossed it. Then it returns, as it always has, as it always will. And I will be here when it does. Thank you for watching this story with me. There are many more places waiting to be seen. Many more quiet moments. Many more hidden stories. And if you keep looking around, I will tell you the next one.